Hey guys, it's Kathy, Crafty Chica. This week's craft project is all about the piñata, but instead of hitting it and being so violent, I thought why not make it functional? Therefore, I came up with this idea to make piñata-inspired photo frames. What I love about this project is these are really simple supplies: a cardboard box, scissors, glue, and party streamers. And just like making a regular piñata, you can decide how big you want to make it. Now, I decided to start small with the 10-inch piece of cardboard. I didn't even use a pattern. I just sketched out a coffee mug onto this piece of cardboard, but you'll see what happens as time goes on. You learn what works and what doesn't. You're going to draw and cut out two pieces that are the same size so that you can line them up and piece them together later. Draw and then cut out a square on one of the pieces of the cardboard. Actually, if you're feeling kind of fancy, you can do this on both of them. And I do wish I would have measured this space because I use my sprocket printer a lot, and it would have been nice to have it fit perfectly with that size. Use the leftover parts of the box to cut a bunch of 1-inch strips. Okay, let's glue these pieces together. I used hot glue to attach the 1-inch strips all the way around the edge of one of the sides. You could also use heavy-duty masking tape or even duct tape. Line the inside of your square with some cardboard pieces. Simply cut them to fit and then hot glue them into place, one on each side. I kind of wasn't feeling that coffee cup, so I made a heart and a cactus too. If you want, you can base coat your piñata-inspired frame to match the party streamer that you're going to use. You don't have to do that, but it will look nicer in the end. Okay, so you're going to take several strips of your party streamer, roll them up, and then make little notches to make the fringe. Now it's time to get our fringe on. I put some white craft glue in a little bottle and just put a little bit all the way around, rubbed it with my finger, and started adding the fringe. I alternated between dark and light colors just to give it a little bit of dimension. So it's been about an hour and I have this one done and this one, and I realized I really didn't need to do the back of this because I'm going to hang these on the wall. Alrighty, so this coffee mug kind of looks like the Cookie Monster. It didn't really come out, but these came out pretty awesome. Now you can poke 2 holes, add some string, or put a picture hanger on the back, and you can use them for parties or just for wall decor, whatever you want. You can even put candy inside with another little opening in the back. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this 2 thumbs up and subscribe. And for more crafty ideas, visit my site at craftychica.com.